Okay. What just happened just now is so sad. My cousin fish just died. I was cleaning the fish, and all of a sudden, the fish dropped inside of the little hole. I'm busy calling his name. He was getting his contacts out. so now, so now, I went to go buy him another fish, but he said no because he don't got time.
My fish died because Keisha killed it.
Really? And now he's making
She
like
dropped my fish in the sink.
I did not.
Oh man.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I'm so cold I can't laugh. But mine is still, mine, it's so sad because mine's still living and his not. Look. Timothy. Timothy, where you at? Come here. Timothy, right here. See, look at him. I don't know. But oh, you guys see my tongue? It's hidden. But I'm going. I don't know, just got my hair done.